Hello, my name is Tom Psillas. I'm the CEO of wetcrow.com, WETCROW, Wet Crow, and I'm the Wet Crow, okay? You can call me that. That's my nickname from being a young kid. Listen, the reason why the topic today that we're talking about, this is designed for handyman service providers that are selling anything from any kind of service. Okay, if you're not using AI tools, AI is artificial intelligence, your business will soon fail. Times are changing. Find out why? Watch. And here I am. I'm going to show you why. Okay? Now, what we do, we create a site called wetcrow.com, which I'm going to. Here's the front of our site, wetcrow.com. It's a little blurry right now because I'm doing it from an angle so you can see what we're doing. Now, here's what happens. Okay? We're using AI within our thing, within our product. Because what we do, you come in the site, we show the services that are most common here. Handyman, plumbing, electrical, they're all here. Furniture assembly. Okay, we're going to do furniture assembly today. Okay? So what's going to happen is I'm going to click on that. In Denver, Colorado, we're going to find somebody. I know there's people out there. Look at this. We have service providers. Here are the services that we offer. Bed assembly. We can assemble a bed, a bookcase, a chair. You name it. Anything. Okay? It could be desk. Assembly. So let's see. What are we going to choose today? I'm going to choose something maybe a little different. I don't know. Better. Let's do a bookcase. I do bookcase all the time. All right. I'm going to click on that. Now watch what happens. Now this is artificial intelligence. Now it's a little slow because it's using artificial intelligence to bring the right provider. Oh, it wasn't so slow. I sound like a liar, don't I? Okay. Now, unfortunately, as you can see, today's the 9th of September. Our earliest appointment is the 14th of September. On a Thursday. Unfortunately, the reason why we don't have enough providers, we need guys like you to come and join us. If you were with us, joined up with us, we wouldn't have that problem. We'd be able to have appointments today. We'd be coming out tonight to do your install. Okay, but let's book this appointment 1 p.m. on Thursday. I'm going to book it. Okay. Now the next step is I click book it. Now I chose the appointment. Here you're going to either create a new account, or you're going to go and sign in with your credentials over here, okay? Once you got that done, you're going to hit the login button. How hard is that? My mouse is going crazy. Oh, give me a second, I'll do it. Okay, now we got it. Okay, here's the item. Now, the item's already in your cart. How fast was that? It's in your cart already. And see this $75 service down here? If you need to have us pick it up from Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever you bought the bookcase from, we'll or Walmart for that matter, we'll pick it up for you 2 hours before the appointment for $75. I know it's a little pricey because we have a shortage of handymen. That's the reason why the price. It depends on the handyman. That the price is based on who your handyman is going to be. This guy's very busy, so he's not going to waste 2 hours of his time. Okay, so now you check out and pay right here. You hit the checkout and pay button. I didn't put that on it because I knew you already bought your bookcase home, right? Yeah, you're helping us out. Okay, here's the checkout page. You can see the item is here. It's in here. Let me scroll down. Where did it go? All right, my eyes are a little bit blind. And here's the item over here. We're going to hit the checkout page. Select this. Oh, here we are. We're already here. Payment mode. You're going to add your payment mode. It takes you about a minute to click over here and go to and add your payments. If you have no credit cards in here, they're stored triple secure, more secure than a bank. I'll be honest with you. We're more secure. We really, they were impressed with our, the credit card presser were impressed with us. They said they've never seen such secure site. All right, you click the submit button. Your information came out of the secure, site. It's triple DESed and triple DESed again. So now you click on submit. Now watch how fast. Look at it. It's done. Here's your receipt. Look at it. Your receipt's all here. Here's your information here. All right, it's going to show my address. It's going to show what I bought. It's going to show my appointment here. Look at this. Your appointment is, and make sure everything is all ready. Blah blah blah, ready to go. And we're going to be there 1 o'clock on the 14th to install. Now, tell me, how hard was that? Isn't this revolutionary? Nobody else is doing this except us. Nobody's doing that. That's doing that we've seen. Other people have appointments. But then, like the realtors on Zillow have that, but then it's just making an appointment. Okay, you still got to go look at the house, and you got to meet them there, and you got to be, they hope that you show up and all that. Because a lot of times, 30% of people don't show up for the appointments. But anyway, Home Depot, Angie, I mean, Angelus has an appointment setting thing, and they just started doing that. But that's just to get an appointment to have somebody come out to talk to you. You can make an appointment all you want. That's just to talk to them. That's for them to call you. Okay. Now by going in there and putting your name and address and whatever you're gonna and phone number, you just gave that lead your lead now. That lead just got sold to 20 to 40 contractors, like yourself, a handyman like yourself, 40 times. That's what they do. They have 10 companies that they own, and they basically sell them 5 times to each, supposedly. By the time you get the lead, it's already all. I've seen it happen. I've experienced it myself because I put in a request, and then I have a friend of mine that's a plumber. He said it took a week. From the time you put that request in, we tested it out, and we saw that it came a week later. And then come to find out, those guys made over $2,000 in lead revenue. Okay, who's making the money? They're making the money, not you and I. Okay, and you're only doing a $99 measly bookcase assembly. Okay, now why do you need to go get a quote for that? I mean, come on. I mean, that's moronic. So what I'm trying to tell you is that this is fast. You saw how fast that was, and this is how you do business, and this is the wave of the future. I think I've said enough. So if you're operating in the 90s, it's time to. I'm sorry. If you're not using AI tools like we are, your business is going to soon fail because everybody's going to be doing what we're doing very soon. They're all going to be coming to us. We're probably going to dominate we're like the Amazon of services. Okay. Thank you very much. I'm sorry it took this long. I'm glad you came by to watch this. I think you're going to see why we do what we do. Thank you.